My name is Keegan Zack. I'm an exercise science major, and I am from Watseka, Illinois. Exercise science, basically we look at the body and how it works, how it adapts to exercise. We write programs for people, see what their goals are and how they want to adapt their bodies into becoming better versions of themselves, and we kind of assist them along that process. My Lewis experience has been fulfilling. I think I came in with very low expectations. I didn't know what to expect at Lewis. I came from a very small town where my graduating class was 65 people. So coming to Lewis and it being a smaller community, I have a lot of one-on-one times with my professors, which is very nice. It's a nice community. I'm in a lot of the same classes with my classmates throughout the career here at Lewis. So just nice to get to know people and then rely on them throughout the rest of the years here at Lewis.